Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this reindeer or deer antlers. We will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 30 chain crochet stitches. Now see, we are done with it. Now we will skip 4 stitches after current loop on the needle. Okay, and from 5th stitch. Okay, from 5th stitch we are going to start making double crochet stitches. 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, 1 2 3 4. We are going to skip these 4 stitches, and from 5th stitch we will start making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch for coming 10 stitches. I'll just complete those 10 double crochet stitches and I'll show you. Here we are almost done with the stitches. Now make 15 chain crochet stitches. Here we are done with the 15 stitches. After 15 stitches we will again skip 4 stitches after the current loop on the needle, and from 5th stitch we will start making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, we made 15 chain crochet stitches. After 15 stitches we skipped 4 stitches after the current loop on the needle, and from 5th stitch we started making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So that we are going to do for from 5th stitch till 14th stitch. In 15th stitch we will do it differently. So till only 14th stitch, from 5th to 14th stitch we have to make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Here we are done with our 14 stitches. Okay, in 15th stitch we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. Okay, in 15th stitch we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. See, here we are done with 5 double crochet stitches. Now we join the chain crochet stitch from where we started and with a slip stitch, and from there again we start to make 15 chain crochet stitches. Then again we will skip 4 stitches from after current loop on the needle, and from 5th stitch we will start making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Till 14th stitch we have to go on making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch, only from 5th stitch to 14th stitch. Okay, and again in 15th stitch like we did earlier. So again in 15th stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. In 15th stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches. See, here in 15th stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches in this one stitch itself. So this is how the structure is going to be, but still we are left with chain crochet stitches. So for rest of the chain crochet stitches, our pattern is going to be one double crochet stitch in each single stitch till first crochet stitch we made. Okay, see, we will make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch for all the rest of the chain crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. So this is how our antler is going to look like. Okay, still we are supposed to do two more steps. Okay, now we will just make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. Okay, now we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch all along the antler. One single crochet stitch in each single stitch all along the antler. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, this is the way we are going to go. So like we can take a complete round till here. Okay, I'll just complete this and show you. Now when we are done with one single crochet stitch in each single stitch, that whole round, now again we make a chain crochet stitch and now we turn our work. Now this is the last step. We will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. The same way we made one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now same way we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch all along the antler, and done. This is a final piece. So you have following same pattern, you have to make one more antler. Okay, and while putting those placing those antlers on that reindeer face, you need to make them face uh, mirror images of each other. Okay, so then they look good. I'll show you final piece also. So these are like antlers for reindeer, deer. See, this is how both antlers. See, this is how our final piece looks like, and it's in a pair. And while placing, just place it like mirror image of one another on the head of reindeer or deer, anything. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed, I'll request you to subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.